Welcome to Indian Law Analyst. Today we will discuss Fundamental of Indian Laws, part 2 of this video series. Understanding the fundamental of Indian law is our responsibility as citizens of this country. In the previous part, we covered Introduction to Indian Law Fundamentals, Understanding the Law, Origin of Law in India. So, in this video, we will explore India's legal foundations, understanding the types of law, essential legal concepts overview, understanding legal terminology, role of constitution, and law basis conclusions. So let's exploring Indians' legal foundations. This presentation delves into the four main sources of law in India: the constitutions, the legislation, judicial decision, and customs. Understanding these sources is crucial for grasping the country's legal framework. So let's go to the next point, which is understanding types of law. There is a side chart in your screen. This chart illustrates the classification of law into various categories, including substantive, procedural, civil, criminal, and constitutional law, highlighted the significance and interrelationship with the legal system. So let's come to essential legal concepts overview. Jurisdiction defined. Jurisdiction refers to the authority granted to a legal body to administer justice. It is fundamental to determining which court has the power to hear a case, significantly influencing legal outcomes. Let's understanding liability. Liability is a legal responsibility for one's action or omission. It plays a crucial role in determining accountability in civil and criminal law, affecting individual and business alike. Then contract basics. What the basics of contract? Contracts are a legally binding agreement between parties. Understanding the essential of contract law, including offer, acceptance, and consideration, is vital for any legal practitioner. Then what is tort? Tort are civil wrong that cause harm or loss to individuals. An understanding of tort law, including negligence and intentional torts, is crucial for determining liability and understanding legal terminology. Legal terminology is essential for navigating the justice system effectively and understanding court proceedings. A plaintiff is the individual or party to initiate a lawsuit is seeking legal remedy from the defendant. The defendant is the individual or party accused of wrongdoing in a legal dispute facing claims from the plaintiff. A verdict is the formal decision made by a jury or judge regarding the outcome of a trial determining guilt or innocence. Then formalizing oneself with legal terms enhances comprehensions of legal documents, court rulings, and legal rights. So now let's come to the role of constitution. There is a two type of aspect: positive aspect and negative aspect. What are the positive aspect of role of constitution? The constitution establishes a framework for governance, ensuring a balance of power among branches of government which prevents abuse of authority. It guarantees fundamental rights and freedom to all citizens, promoting equality and protecting individual liberties from government infringement. Then the Constitution serves a reference point for legal interpretation, guiding courts and lawmakers in upholding justice and maintaining order in society. So, what are the negative aspects of constitutions? The constitution can be rigid and difficult to amend, making it challenging to adapt to modern society changes and needs. Interpretation of the Constitution may vary, leading to legal disputes and inconsistent application of law across different jurisdictions. Certain provisions may be outdated or not reflective of contemporary values, resulting in calls for reform and amendments by various social groups. So now let's come to the law basis conclusions. Final thoughts on law. As we conclude our exploration of legal basis, it's crucial to remember the importance of understanding these principles in everyday life. Law dictates relationship and governance. Knowing the rights can empower you and help you navigate complex situations. So, encourage continuous learning. The journey through understanding law doesn't end here. We encourage you to seek more knowledge through our sources, subscribe to our platform for ongoing access to insightful content, expert advice, and update on legal development. Our community ask questions and develop deeper into the world of law. Your feedback and subscription will help us tailor content that meet your needs and engage your legal literacy. So thank you for watching Indian Law Analyst, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and stay updated with our next video.